With Fusion, we have a single model at the center of our design process. For designers, this means a 3D CAD model for the design, simulation, and documentation. For manufacturing, this is a central model for CAM data, information geometry, inspection geometry, as well as assembly instructions. From an operations perspective, this allows us to collect various levels of detail from a bill of materials. These could include weights, quantities, and resource requirements. And then from a marketing perspective, this gives us the ability to grab accurate renders of the products, whether they're still in concept or whether they're in their final state, as well as the ability to start grabbing design specifications directly from the model itself. Practically, this looks like a single product with a single core file that can follow the whole design, manufacture, and marketing plan. Within a single assembly file, we have the ability to identify all of the individual components that sit inside here, and all of these are fully editable and customizable using intuitive modeling processes, such as using extrusions and revolves, and modifying these components with fillets and chamfers and various intuitive modeling techniques. This also allows us to enter a simulation environment where we can go and run studies against our design components to make sure that they do meet certain requirements, whether that be the ability to withstand certain loads, whether that be the ability to perform certain functions. We've also got the ability to then document these for manufacturing and assembly using drawings. These drawings could contain information about the assemblies as a whole, whether that be overall dimensions, different configurations, different variations of the product itself, and then all dimensions that are required in order to manufacture and fabricate individual components within the design itself. All dimensioned and annotated as required. From a manufacturing perspective, this again is a single source of truth for the entire manufacturing process, whether we're looking at an individual component or whether we're looking at fabricating an entire assembly using nesting and fabrication. From a single source of truth, we have the ability to create and identify, from a nesting perspective, all of the individual sheet variations that are required, and then be able to apply toolpaths to create the componentry that is required throughout the process. We have the ability to create our CAM information, whether it be designing the models, configuring them for a CAM environment, or using the geometry directly from the model itself and adding toolpaths to that to get to our desired output. We then have the ability to simulate these directly inside of the software to ensure that nothing catches us by surprise during the manufacturing process. In addition to that, because we're working with a single source of truth, a single model, any updates that occur in the design environment automatically reflect inside of the manufacturing environment. These can then be published and post-processed into the required G code. From a marketing perspective, this means we've got a single environment available to us for rendering and animation. So whether we want to create single still images of conceptual designs or finalized designs inside of a single environment, we have the ability to create just that inside of our software. We can get very realistic renders really quickly, changing lighting, changing textures, all using the same central source of truth. We've also got the ability to create exploded views of our components to ensure that we are correctly establishing the assembly process behind the design itself. From an operations perspective, we've got the ability to pull all of the metadata that sits within the model itself out of the model for ordering, in terms of bill of materials and obtaining the quantities and weights and resource requirements for the design itself, using bill of materials and the individual properties that sit alongside our components within the same central design source, whether it be pulling part numbers, materials, quantities, weights, and any other properties that are required alongside the model, and either sharing this or exporting it from the model itself. Because Fusion is cloud-based, this also then gives us the ability to view all of this same information nice and neatly inside of a web browser. So anybody with access to the Cloud Hub, the Fusion Hub itself, has the ability to view the latest information as soon as it's saved within a model and be able to pull that information out wherever they may need that. Whether that be viewing the 3D model for inspection purposes, for toolpath verification before running the final toolpaths within the machinery itself, whether that be taking quick dimensions of the models themselves directly inside of a web browser. We have a single central source of truth once more for accessing all of this information and being able to detail this information from here, including the ability to grab the bill of materials for an assembly, and the ability to pull properties of the individual component. Because it's feature and component aware, we can identify all of the individual versions of files that were used inside of a model, as well as locating them within the cloud storage locations. So using and enforcing a central source of truth throughout the design, manufacturing, operations, and simulation workflows.